Hello, welcome to Chapter 10, Lesson 2. Today we'll be estimating products of fractions. So, if you look at the word products, that means product is the answer of a multiplication problem. So we've already estimated products of decimals using rounding and compatible numbers. So we can use these same strategies for fractions. So example 1. About 1/3 of containers of yogurt in a box of strawberries are in a box of strawberries. If the box contains 17 containers, about how many containers are strawberry? So we're going to be using compatible numbers. So we're going to estimate 1/3 and 17. So this is the strategy for fractions with whole numbers. I'm going to take a look at my denominator, which is 3, and my whole number, which is 17. So it says use compatible numbers. This is 1/3 times 17. So I have to find a compatible number with 3 and 17, and a number as close to 17 that's compatible with 3. I'm going to estimate to 18, because 18 and 3 are compatible. 6 times 3 equals 18. Now it says complete the bar diagram to find the product. So if this whole thing is 18 and is split up into thirds, that means if I have 6 in each box, that's going to be 18. So 18 times 1/3 is going to be 6. So how many represented? 6. So 1/3 times 18 is 6. The other thing I would like to use is when we multiply fractions and whole numbers, if we multiply 18 with fractions, so whenever you multiply fractions, you just multiply numerators with numerators, denominators with denominators. So if I multiply my numerators, 18 times 1 equals 18. If I multiply my denominators, 3 times 1 equals 3. So now I have the fraction 18 over 3, or 18 divided by 3, which equals 6. So example 2, this is going to go way back to the lesson when we have 0, 1/2, or 1. So is a fraction closer to 0, 1/2, or 1. So I have 2/5 times 6/7. If you look at the number line here, is 2/5, is it closer to 0, 1/2, or 1? Same with 6/7. Is it closer to 0, 1/2, or 1? So 2/5 is going to estimate to 1/2, and then 6/7 is going to estimate to 1. So we have 1, so it turns into 1/2 times 1. And we know with the identity property, whenever we multiply by 1, we get the same product. So it's going to be about 1/2. So 2/5 times 6/7 is about 1/2. So my 2/5 changed to 1/2, and my 6/7 changed to 1. So now we're going to estimate 7 and 2/7 times 3 and 7/8. So let's round each mixed number to the nearest whole number. So now we're working with whole numbers. So we're combining 3 strategies into one lesson. So 7 and 2/7, is that closer to 7 or 8? It's going to be closer to 7. And 3 to 7/8, is that closer to 3 or 4? It's going to be closer to 4. So this is going to be 7 times 4, which equals 28. So that's going to be about 28. So go ahead and try the guided practice. So since we're doing fraction with whole number, I have to find a compatible number with my denominator and my whole number. So what's compatible with 2 that's close to 25? I chose 24. So half of 24 is 12. So 1/2 is, or I can do multiply, change my whole number to a fraction. 1 times 24 equals 24, and then 2. 24 divided by 2 equals 12. And that's the end of the lesson, so thank you for watching.